With a total area of 9,250 square kilometers and a population of approximately 1 million, Cyprus is the third largest island in the Mediterranean after Sicily and Sardinia. The impressive 2,000-meter high relief created on the island through long-term and unique geological processes led to the formation of a variety of microclimes, an exceptional natural environment, extensive forests, abundant flora and increased agricultural production, and rendered the island an excellent habitat for humans and for economic, social and cultural development. Cyprus's quarries today employ specialized scientific staff, while latest technology methods and mechanical equipment have also been gradually introduced, covering all production phases, such as research for locating the best possible material and site, designing the quarry and the production unit, as well as calculating the size of reserves, the carrying out of environmental studies and restoration plans, and the securing of all necessary licenses and permits from the various state services. The use of explosives for quarrying. The loading and transporting of the material from the quarry to the processing unit in modern trucks and through the use of modern equipment. The crushing of the rock in successive phases through the use of various types of crushers. The gradation of the crushed material through the use of special sieves in the production of the final products. Slurry treatment and water recycling systems. Washing the sand in special machines so as to enhance its qualitative characteristics. And finally, the selling of the final products in order to cater for the needs of the market. A basic precondition for the placement of the aggregates on the market is their compliance with the minimum standards established by EU criteria concerning the quality of the aggregates. Within the scope of market supervision, the state's competent services carry out quality controls on the aggregates, while all crushing plants have the flexibility to regulate any variations of the quality characteristics of the quarry's rock. Cyprus's aggregates industry places particular importance on the holding of environmental studies and the implementation of measures aimed at restoring the environment following the completion of any quarrying activity. Pine and cypress trees, as well as various kinds of endemic shrubs and bushes, are included among the species planted and irrigated through the use of special support systems for the first 3 years. Despite Cyprus's dry climate, one can see many successful examples of such restorative activities. The Cyprus Aggregates Producers Association has been striving since its establishment in 1980 to improve its members' activities. It also has regular contact with the European Aggregates Producers Association, the UEPG, of which it's a member since 2010. In Cyprus, stone has been a basic building material since Neolithic times and all the way to today. Initially, as one can see in the Neolithic settlement of Hyrogeitia, the main source of the building blocks were the nearby riverbeds, in the catchment basins of which one finds the most durable materials. Throughout the centuries, building materials provided by one's immediate environment were used. The wealth and variety of Cyprus's architectural heritage is showcased in practically all traditional settlements in the ancient and Byzantine monuments gracing the mountain areas and the Cyprus countryside in general. As in days of old, so today is the aggregates industry necessary for the development of any modern society, and is also compatible with sustainable development, so that future generations can have access to basic construction materials, while at the same time living within an environmentally sound and nature-protecting world.